welcome back to the Protea Academy YouTube channel. I'm Michelle, and in today's video we're going to be chatting about getting the full picture of your business with accrual accounting. Now, the cash basis of accounting is a method of recording revenue when cash is physically received and recording expenses when cash is physically paid out. Now, this method is easy and it enables business to legally manipulate its taxable income. Paying less in taxes is as easy as spending more money. The cash basis is common for small businesses who have not yet gotten themselves established, but the IRS does require that businesses use the accrual method when it comes to inventories. So with that said, some businesses do adopt a hybrid approach of cash basis and accrual basis of accounting, and this is referred to as the modified cash basis of accounting. But because there are so many advantages when it comes to the accrual method, it makes sense to just commit to using the accrual method. And in this video, we're going to explore what accrual accounting is and why it makes sense to use it. So before we take a look at the advantages of accrual accounting, let's take a look at what the principle actually means. Now, the accrual accounting is a method of accounting that records revenues when they are earned and expenses when they are incurred. And the goal here is to recognize related revenues and expenses in the same period. And this is what accountants call the matching principle. So in order to better illustrate this, let's take a look at a quick example. So your top salesman brought in sales of $750,000 for the month of January. Everybody hustled, and this was shipped before the end of the month. And with the sales that he generated, he's earned himself $7,500 in commission. Now, the salesman was paid on February 1st. So under the accrual method of accounting, this expense, the commission expense of $7,500, should be recorded in January, since the commission was for the sales that were generated in January, and not February when the amount was paid over to him. So remember, we said the accrual method completely disregards when cash changes hands, and this example illustrates how that looks. Now, the first major advantage of using the accrual method of accounting is the ability to match revenue with related costs, which enables you to be able to track profitability and better understand your cash flow. As you track profitability, patterns will arise that will help you make better decisions along the way. Secondly, it provides a more accurate picture of the state of your business compared to if you were to use the cash basis of accounting. The accrual method makes it easier to be able to anticipate your expenses and predict your sales. And being able to predict and budget are essential skills when it comes to anticipating the needs of your business. Because the accrual method of accounting is or does paint a clearer picture of the state of your business, many financial institutions, many banks require that financial statements are prepared on the accrual basis. So having it on the accrual basis will make it easier to obtain credit and expand your business to meet market needs. Another major advantage or benefit to accrual accounting is that it is compliant with generally acceptable accounting principles, or GAAP as it's more commonly known. So GAAP is a collection of accounting standards and industry practice that have been developed over many years. And this is, as I said, it's one huge advantage because it puts everyone on the same page. Accounting is commonly referred to as the language of business, and GAAP ensures that everyone is speaking the same language. Then finally, and off the back of the third major benefit, GAAP makes it easy to answer the question of how are we doing. Because GAAP creates one standard for everyone, it makes it easy to be able to compare the current period to the prior periods, as well as comparing how you're doing in relation to others in the industry. Knowing how others are doing in the industry and how they are performing gives you an idea of what your numbers should be. Now, although accrual accounting does take more time because it is more complicated than the cash basis of accounting, the advantages far outweigh the disadvantages. It enables you to track profitability and gain a better understanding of your cash flow, which provides a more accurate picture of your financial position. And in addition to being compliant with GAAP, it also provides useful information for making business decisions about things such as inventory purchases, investment opportunities, and financing needs. Accrual accounting is more than just cash transactions, and it provides you with information about assets, liabilities, and earnings. Accrual accounting provides you with a better view of your overall financial position. And because the accrual accounting method is consistent with GAAP, the rules to prepare financial reports of both public and private companies are oftentimes a more accurate method for most companies. As always, we trust you found this video insightful, and should you have any thoughts, comments, or suggestions for future content that you'd like to see, please feel free to drop it in the comments section below. Please also join us on our social media platforms such as LinkedIn and Facebook, or at our website at proteafinancial.com. Protea Academy, striving to achieve better accounting for everyone.